Hey, this is Jamal, and today I'm going to show you one of my favorite nodes in Renderman. This is the PxrFlakes node. Pixar uses it to set these shiny points on car paints or to get those glittery particles in snow shaders. I personally like to add some glitter effects to toon eyes or to let translucent materials sparkle from the inside. You have so many ways to make materials look better with that. First, I'll show you how to apply flakes on the surface of your mesh, and in the end of this video I am going to show you how you can get them inside of your material. This material here is a standard glass shader. To get this effect, put the result n of PxrFlakes node into your glass bump input on the PxrSurface node. The flake random slider affects how strong the normal map is. Flake frequency is a kind of zoom out. Here you can affect how many flakes are spread around the surface. Density is another way to affect the amount of flakes without affecting the frequency. With flake size you can make the flake smaller or bigger. With octaves you can add some more octaves. This sort of changes the way the noise is generated. It makes the noise look more complex. But to be honest, most of the time flakes are getting very messy if you increase the number of that. In most of the cases a value of 1 is enough. It just sort of randomizes the order of those flakes and also randomizes the shape of each flake. I totally like to put flakes inside of translucent materials. Sometimes you'll recognize while working with flakes it will look a bit messy if the whole surface is spread with these flakes, and a good way to solve that problem is to put another mesh above and assign a glass shader on it. So you can see there are reflections and glittering effects without having messy effects flakes are causing. And that was everything I wanted to show you in this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you the next time.